Today I'm going to show you how to make some easy money online by using an amazing website that I will show you in the course of this video. The website is simple and you do not need to have any skills for you to be able to do this. All you need is your phone or laptop like computer, and you will start earning straight away from the comfort of your own home. Now guys, how cool is that? Now with this website, you can earn money by doing just simple tasks on it. Simple tasks like answering questions, playing games, and watching videos. These are very simple, easy tasks that any one of us can easily do and make a lot of money from this particular website. Now you can actually get paid a lot of money by doing all of these things that I just mentioned. Don't you think this is real fun? Now before I show you how to sign up to this platform, to this website that I will reveal to you in a minute, let me take a moment and tell you a little story. Now when I found out about this website, I was actually looking for ways to make money online before I stumbled on this particular platform. What was I looking for? I was actually looking for something that would be easy to do and not take up a lot of my time, and I will still earn money as extra by the side. And at that point was when I discovered this platform, and since then, do you think I have looked back in using this website? Of course not. I have been using this website and I can tell you that it worked. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Online Cash Craft. Like you know, what I talk about on this channel is how you can make money online and different ways that you can make money stress-free online. Yeah. Now, if today is your very first time, thank you so much. If you've been here before, you decided to come back, I thank you. If you haven't subscribed, please consider clicking on the subscribe button. Not only that, please do consider clicking on the bell notification. Reason is whenever I drop good videos like this that shows you step by step how to make money online, you will be notified. Now do not also forget to leave your comments in the course of this video. If there's any comments you have or queries or whatever, please drop it in the comment below. Now without wasting much of your time, let's go right into this amazing platform that I've been talking about. Now, the very first step, go to jumptask.io and sign up to the platform. Now your signing up is just for you to make an account, for you to create an account for yourself. And this is just like you signing up to any other platform out there. It is super easy and simple and also very quick to sign up. Now the second step is create your crypto wallet and you're ready to go. You're ready to start making money and earning money through this platform. Just 2 simple steps and you're ready to start making money online. Now, I know a lot of us are always looking for ways to make that extra money. Whether you want to make extra for your family, you want to make extra for school, you want to make extra for you to have a little bit of savings. Trust me, Jumpstart is the best platform for that. And not only that is the best platform to do that, it's also an easy platform that could help you achieve that, and it's quick and it is real. This is a very legit platform where you can make money quick online without stress. Now the question is, how much money can you make on Jumpstart? Now the answer, it all depends on how much time you want to invest in this. Remember, you are signing up to this free of charge. No one is asking you to pay money, but you are paying somehow with your time, and we know that time is money. So how much you make depends on how much time you want to invest into this. You can make few dollars here and there if you don't have much time to invest into this, but you can also make more if you have the time to invest into this. On average, some people make $50 a week, and many people also make up to $200 a week. up to 500 a week. It all depends on how much time you are ready to put into this. Now here's the fun tip. You can actually share Jumpstart with your friends, family, colleagues, and the thing is, when they sign up, you get paid, and that is called their affiliate program. Yeah, so you can see you are making money by doing the task on the platform, and you're also making money by just introducing someone who happens to sign up. Remember, when they sign up, it is free of charge, and you're also getting paid. That is a win-win, guys. So what are you waiting for? Head on to Jumpstart, sign up, create your crypto wallet, and start earning money. It is simple, it is real, it is easy. Do not miss out on this particular opportunity. If you enjoyed this video and want more ways to earn money online, do not forget to click on the subscribe button up there and give me a subscribe. And also do not forget to click on the bell notification so that whenever I drop any video like this that shows and tells you how to make money online, you will definitely be notified. I'm here to help you every step of the way. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. So let's go out there and start making some money, guys. See you in my next video. And do not forget to watch the next one up there. Once again, thank you for sticking around with me. I hope to see you in my next. Thank you.